Imagine waking up in a world where artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It is everywhere.
But as machines become smarter, one question is becoming impossible to ignore. What happens to humanity when AI becomes more capable than us?
Artificial intelligence has evolved from simple algorithms into systems capable of learning, reasoning, creating, and making decisions at extraordinary speed. The human brain took millions of years to evolve. AI systems are improving in a matter of years halt, and the pace is accelerating. Behind every intelligent AI system is an enormous digital infrastructure, processing information on a scale no human could ever match. Machines can process billions of pieces of information in seconds. They never get tired, they never need sleep. But AI may not replace humans overnight. Instead, the future could begin with something more subtle, causal, humans and machines working together. Today, AI can already write code, analyze data, generate images, create music, and perform tasks that once required years of human training. In factories around the world, machines are already performing work that once depended entirely on human hands.
Warehouses are becoming intelligent ecosystems, where robots can move, organize, and deliver products with incredible efficiency.
In medicine, AI can analyze enormous amounts of information and help doctors identify patterns that might be invisible to the human eye. Tomorrow's doctors may not work alone. They may operate alongside machines capable of precision far beyond human physical limits. Education could change too. Imagine every student having access to an AI tutor that understands exactly how they learn.
Instead of teaching millions of students in exactly the same way, AI could create a unique learning experience for every individual.
Transportation could become almost completely autonomous, with AI coordinating vehicles, traffic, deliveries, and entire cities in real time. The city itself could become a giant intelligent system, constantly learning, predicting, and adapting to the people living inside it. Even our homes could become intelligent enough to anticipate what we need before we ask. And this raises a deeper question. Are we creating tools that serve us, or are we slowly creating systems that will eventually shape our lives? Because the more connected AI becomes to our world, the more power it could potentially have over the systems we depend on every day. Energy, transportation, communication, finance, healthcare. The systems that keep civilization running could increasingly depend on artificial intelligence. AI could also transform the world's economy, making decisions faster than human traders, analysts, and financial institutions ever could.
Even professions built around knowledge and expertise may face a new competitor, machines that can analyze enormous amounts of information instantly.
But perhaps the biggest surprise is that AI is entering a field once considered uniquely human: creativity.
Machines can now create music, images, stories, and videos. But can they truly understand what those creations mean?
AI can process facts at incredible speed. But truth is not always about speed. From food production to climate science, intelligent machines could help humanity solve problems that have challenged us for generations. Construction could become faster, safer, and more efficient as machines take on dangerous and repetitive tasks. But the same technology that can protect us could also create new risks. AI could change the future of security and warfare forever. When machines begin making decisions faster than humans can react, the question of control becomes more important than ever. For millions of workers, the future may bring a difficult reality. Some jobs will disappear, while others will completely change. The question is no longer whether AI will change work. The real question is how quickly that change will happen, and who will benefit from it.
The workplace of tomorrow may look completely different from the workplace we know today.
For some people, AI will be an opportunity. For others, it could feel like a threat to everything they have built. But perhaps the future will not be humans versus machines. Perhaps it will be humans living alongside them. Imagine a world where intelligent machines do not replace human connection, but help us protect, support, and care for one another. Even ordinary experiences like eating at a restaurant could become almost completely automated.
Travel could become faster and more efficient as AI quietly manages millions of decisions behind the scenes.
But what happens when the systems we depend on fail? The more power we give AI, the more vulnerable we could become if something goes wrong. The future could lead to cooperation, or conflict. The technology itself may not decide the outcome. We will. Because the real battle may not be between humans and AI. It may be about who controls the technology and who decides how it is used.
So, AI versus humans. Who wins?
But humans possess something machines still struggle to truly understand. Consciousness, emotion, empathy, imagination, and the ability to ask why. Sorta. The most powerful future may not belong to humans alone. It may belong to those who learn how to combine the strengths of both. AI can calculate. Humans can understand meaning. AI can recognize patterns. Humans can imagine possibilities.
Perhaps the best future is not one where AI controls humanity, but one where technology helps humanity become better.
The future will not be decided by how intelligent our machines become. It will be decided by how wisely we choose to use them.
So the real question is not whether AI will change the future. It already is. The real question is whether humanity will remain in control of that change. AI may become one of the most powerful technologies humanity has ever created. But who controls the future will ultimately depend on